Hey guys, welcome back. Another hike by shooting video. I'm on the other side of the mountain compared to where I was last time, and I heard there's a couple of baboons where I'm heading. So I'll try to take a couple of shots of those baboons. So yeah, let's see. Maybe I run into them. Could be actually the same group that I took pictures of a couple of months ago. If you haven't seen those pictures yet, check my website. A couple of lovely images there. Just the sad thing is, as you can tell, the weather conditions, the lighting isn't too good, and I hope I don't run into them in the forest where it's even darker. But yeah, excited. Baboons, yay! Okay, I found them. There they are, right in the middle of the street. And I'm pretty sure, from what I can tell, it's definitely the same group. They're usually quite friendly, unless dogs are around. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, that was so worth it. Welcome to Africa. Look at that. Oh my god, the one they're climbing in the back there. I'm just bummed that the lighting conditions are less than ideal. Some guy's climbing in the back there. See that guy on the rock? Disappeared now. This is so cool. It's about an hour now that I've hung out with these guys. Super calm, super cool. And they're being monitored because they can be quite a problem for the people living here. They literally break into your places and steal everything that's in your fridge. And they're flipping smart. They know how to crack doors. They find a way in if they want to. But they're really, really lovely animals. And so human-like, it's quite incredible. Yeah, the guys are heading down the mountain now. Just this guy over here doesn't seem to mind. Hey, pal. And I think he's the alpha. He's the guy being monitored. You can see the collar around his neck. Yes, you. He's checking if everything is okay. And I'll probably follow them down. There they are, a couple of the other guys down there. Yeah, those guys they've been like hunting and playing with each other the entire time. Yeah, and Daddy here is like, you know what, do your thing, I'm tired, I'm old. Well, the only regret today is that, whoopsie, whew, nearly lost the camera. The only regret is that the sun is coming out now, and when I ran into the group, it was still very overcast and cloudy. So I had to go really low with the shutter speed, which probably has ruined a couple of my shots. I didn't want to crank up the ISO too much, but I shot it at 400, in between 400 and 800. That's 800 is the highest that I feel still comfortable with when it comes to ISO and noise on the 7D Mark I. But let's see. Maybe I got lucky and a couple of the shots turned out better than I think they did. Okay. So end of a great trip. Getting busy here. All the tourists and everything, not tourists, but hikers and people that love nature, I guess. But first, coffee. Great coffee in Kent.